of a salt delta biome. Can't just remember.
Zombie, Daddy, zombie! Daddy!
I'm almost there.
Zombie!
I'm here. I'm back.
I'm much day.
Mama, no.
Here. Oh yes!
Did you find it? Wait, bibuild ko pa yung house muna natin. Ha?
No.
Paano yun? Nasaan yung wood?
Nether wart!
Ha?
Found nether wart.
Wait.
Come here.
I know.
Go. Ah!
Building our house.
What's this?
Nasira.
What is that?
Oh, I'm here!
Daddy.
Yeah, I'm building it.
Dad, pwede ka na to-teleport.
Hi,
Saan
Daddy.
di ako pwede makapag-teleport, kuya? I'm building a house. Ay, sorry.
My house.
Yeah.
My house pink. Hey, Daddy,
sorry.
punch me.
I'm not punching you
Sarap.
intentionally.
Blaze!
No.
Wait.
Blaze!
Did you get it? Oh.
Can kill me, blazes, right?
Zombie. Daddy, help you.
Where's si ate?
Here.
Zombies? Wait. Kill the zombies.
What do you do?
We're not speed running.
Ah.
Dad?
Daddy.
Stop! Wait. Daddy!
Wait.
That's me.
My dad doesn't
Huh?
even... blazes! Ow!
Daddy, punch you.
No, people!
Zombie.
There's gotta be a blaze fire, bro.
Zombie.
They're gonna kill me, Dad. Just teleport na.
Wait lang. Okay.
Gotta teleport!
Kasi mamamatay ako. Wait lang. Kailangan ko mamatay muna. Wait lang. Zero life ko eh.
I'm dying! Yun yung hard, ah?
Ha?
Hard yun.
Hard ba yan? Wala akong sword eh. How can I...
Take this! Come with...
Wait. Sino mo gawa? Ay, wait lang.
My daddy.
Yeah. Wait lang.
Strike free dog was slain by Snout Crown 244,000.
Gonna give you something.
Wait, I'll get some ano.
Here's an iron sword if you want it. Or copper sword. Oh, yeah.
Hindi ko pabuksan to, kuya. Why cannot...
Shifting.
Uh,
Make your... Dad, gawa ka din ng ano, ah. Dad, gawa ka din po ng... Diamond pickaxe.
para saan yung pickaxe sa diamond?
Para maka-mine ka.
Nang...
Nang marami.
How about yung ano, copper pickaxe? Wala yun?
Copper pickaxe?
Hindi, actually ko yung mga iron pickaxe.
Wag.
Bakit?
That's a great cow, Indy. Cow?
Indy's horse looked like a cow.
Nice cow, Indy. It's not a cow, it's a horse. No, that's a cow.
Dad, kung meron ka lang nakita na new, sabihin mo lang sa akin.
Listen, why can't you just be good?
Ay, eat na ba?
10 more minutes. Ay! We're eating here?
She was so upset.
Oh, lumapit sa akin yung gustong maglaro.
Indy said,
Kailangan kumain din.
"Oh, goodness me! Tell me why."
Eat it.
Okay, ma'am.
Teka.
Ow!
Asa, urin daw.
I give you this one.
Very sad.
Okay, tapos?
Saan na yan?
Kumain na?
Indy never made anything
Saan na yan?
Where are you?
Ha?
because she told herself she wasn't very good.
Pumunta ikaw!
Kuya.
true.
Ah.
I'm not.
The end.
I don't like that story, Calypso.
Righty.
Me neither.
Huh?
But it's your story.
I like how Andy did it. I don't like how Andy gives up.
Well, why don't you tell a different story?
Yeah, and then he really
Ate
must
Phoebe.
Okay.
Daddy.
This episode of Louis
Tama
Told
ba
the
yun ako?
Story.
Ay, dami ba yan?
Once upon a time,
Arroz caldo ba?
What do you call the...
Is that arroz caldo? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for spoiling us.
Winton could be
Yeah,
fickle sometimes.
thanks.
Ate
He's
Phoebe.
very kind.
Thank you, love.
He said to Andy, "You are good at things, Indy."
Ow!
Really? I'm not. Look,
Sige.
my horse looks like a cow.
SNUBCRWNT490 Taiwan Coffee Center.
Where are you?
Is Indy gonna get in?
Where?
Yes. Hooray! Can you help me? Princess? Okay.
I told you Winton had a kind heart.
So when's
Ate,
the
si
next
ate
season
na.
to figure out what's wrong with cow horse?
What do you call that?
Color? I don't think so. I know. We should
Kuya.
find a picture of a cow and look at it. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm
Hi.
not.
Hi, love. Ate. Hi. Brighty, where are you going? Kuya, may ano? Netherman.
Kuya. Ay, Daddy.
Leather portrait.
On that farm he had a cow.
Wag mo tagalawin Sige.
Uy, Netherman.
They definitely look
Enderman ba yan? Enderman?
Hang on. But you're
Enderman.
you need to know the
Just gonna with your diamond sword already.
STR123R.
Right, Ate.
It's gonna get easier.
Why dead?
Enderman. Killed by an Enderman.
Winton.
Mahirap yun
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Is a cow. But it's not a cow.
How about...
It's a horse. I know.
Dad, come! Balik na tayo! Punta na tayo!
Gagawa pa ako ng ano ko sword. Wait lang.
Righty ah.
Always having a kind heart.
Righty subo.
Diamond sword and diamond pickaxe!
Righty subo. Righty.
Tawag ka ni ma'am. Tawag ka ni ma'am. Love.
It's a horse.
It will be!
Righty.
Picture of a horse.
Come here. Dapat ka kay mami. Ala.
Oh, by the way, Indy also transformed into a car. Yeah, Calypso, they could go to Major Tom, the horse who lives next door.
Sorry.
Hold up your cow horse, Indy. Okay.
Asan na remote ng TV?
Also play. It's the net. It's the net.
Kuya.
Ah!
Wala anak. Ito
Ako
lang
na
sa
magawat kasi nag... Ayun, water mo kay daddy. Lapit ka kay daddy.
Iyo po. Wait na, hindi. May access ako dyan na iba anak. Bibigay ko sa'yo, yes. Bibigay ko sa'yo.
Dado.
pink one.
Dad.
Wait.
Pink one.
Yes.
Teka, subo
ako.
lang si daddy.
Slayer. Slayer. Dad, tiga yung name. Tiga yung name. Dad, tiga yung name. Slayer.
Where are you? Saan ka?
Punta na ako sa Nether.
Why you can't find your sister? I can't find your sister. Where are you now?
They're not gonna get you.
Righty ah. Righty. Righty ah. Righty.
Wait, I'm gonna help you.
Righty.
Why is there always that?
Righty.
Wait, tawag ka ni ma'am. Yes, I'll fight that one. Zombies, I'll fight you all for boop boop. Oh. Yeah. Where the other zombies? Let's go, kuya.
Teka, pupunta na ako.
Ayun si dad.
No more na.
Huh?
Uy, ano nangyari dito sa ano natin? Isang lalagyanan.
One sleeping one.
Palalagay ko dito. Ha? Go pick it up here.
Andito na ako!
Come here, big.
Teleport!
Daddy.
Wait lang.
Hey,
Oh, come here.
I'm good.
Ow, 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 ow.
Natulog sa balikat ni Seth.
Dad,
Where was shield?
bus. Bus, Daddy. Look. Daddy?
Hmm?
Teleport!
Wow. Muppet. Muppet me.
Teleport ako sa'yo, kuya.
Yeah.
Daddy. And me,
Oh,
Dad.
no. There's a gas. Oh, no, always a gas.
And me, don't do Daddy and me.
Hindi,
Right here.
scary dito. Go
Ready,
commando.
ready. Ah. Hoy! Hindi ka nakasubo.
Nako. Ay, nako.
Boo.
Ate! Teleport ka din.
Ano gagawin, kuya?
Daddy
Teleport ka sa akin. Hi!
Ano gagawin dito? Paano pickaxe to?
Daddy and me.
Stone!
Dad, how about me?
Go out, 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 out! Go out, Dad!
How
Yeah.
about me here too?
What's that?
Dad, don't.
Scary to. Wait lang. I'll get some, ano. Do you have iron? Iron sword. Wala ko iron sword. And I have, ano. sword.
Oh no, the blaze! Gotta help me with the blaze!
Daddy. I'm
Dad.
dead.
Ay.
Ay.
Ah, fire!
Go wear your shield. Oh no, what happened to me? Yeah, we killed the blaze.
We got! We made!
FTR
I'm dead.
We got, we made! You dead!
Respawn.
Righty.
Ito natin, ma'am.
What just happened, bro?
Kuya.
Yay, thank you.
Teleporting you, Dad!
Sige nga, na-teleport mo ba ako?
May umanong
Si
kanin.
Brighty, na-teleport mo rin, kuya.
Okay.
Dad.
Hi, Bright. Hi, come.
Iwan sa kanya.
Nako! Sayang po yun.
Yeah, there's a pig there. Wow, he's too much. They're too.
Righty. Righty. Ah.
May tatawa naman.
Kill him!
Righty.
Go away!
Righty. Righty.
Si Brighty lang yung nag-survive pa.
Me!
Ay,
I survived! Uy, may sabi mo yung malaban ba?
Set, oh.
Malaban, no?
Set.
huh?
Oh, wala na ako shield. Kuya, I need shield.
Me.
Do you have to kill the, ano, pig?
No, don't kill it! It's gonna kill you!
That one, okay.
Oh no.
I need.
Ow!
How to make a shield?
iron and some wood.
Oh, I need some wood.
Dada. Daddy.
Wait.
This one.
Yeah, I'll give you.
Get pickaxe.
I use this one.
Where are you?
I'm here. Let me do this one.
I'll give you this one.
Yay.
Alrighty.
Here.
Bye, T.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, bright ito ka niya, ma'am.
Tumingin ka sa kutsara.
Wait.
Kuya.
Here. Brighty, here. Where are you? There, I'll give you. At the back, at your back. Wait lang.
You have your shield na.
No, wala pa. There, you have your sword na.
How about this?
Am I gonna
wood
make
ka?
you?
May wood ka?
Dad.
I'm sorry, anak. Hindi ko pina... Not my intention.
Siyempre
Respond
ako.
ka.
Dad.
Naloot na yung chest.
Daddy.
I did loot it. Ay, ako nag-loot.
Ano nakuha mo?
Only ano lang.
What did Daddy do?
Yeah.
Context to your insomnia. To break the cycle of insomnia that plagues you every night.
Dami. Waka.
Hi.
It's time for you to
Oh, somebody there.
I have 4 PvP skills, bruh.
Dad, meet me.
Dad.
This is not to kill. Agad.
Dad.
Sa pagkapan naman.
Bye, T.
Teleport ka na, Dad.
Bye, T.
Saan?
Ay, wait lang. Kill mo muna ako bago ko ikaw bigyan. Dad. Kill.
Ito.
More.
Wait, where's my sword? I don't have any sword na ano maganda.
Mommy!
Wait lang, isa wait lang.
Bigyan ko ikaw na to.
Wait
Gusto nyo
lang.
pa?
Hot places.
Yes.
Daddy, gusto mo pa?
Ayan, pinatay na.
Daddy, gusto mo pa?
Tama ba yung
Konti po.
Nagkuha mo
Ayan, nugget. Gold nugget.
na ano ko. That was that.
Para.
Ang ano mo yan? Gagawan ko lang ito ng shield,
Shield,
ah.
please.
Stocking!
Bakit yung axe?
FTR by
Punch
3 hours
me,
later,
Dad.
he was slain by
Daddy, help me
gunfire.
do. Dad, help me. Daddy, help me. Dad, help.
Where are you? Respawn.
Punch me, pigs.
May blaze. I need, sword.
Punch me.
Yung pinagay ko siya.
Punch me. Punch me. Ano? Punch, punch pigs. Daddy, look.
Okay, I need this one. Ano gamit na yung shard?
SNEVRWN24490 who was slain by zombie.
Respawn na na. Still famine shard. Sleepy?
No.
No.
Bata?
STR
patabi to me.
30898
May blaze.
3 was fireball by blaze.
Mag-spawn ka, kuya? Sa akin?
Ah!
Daddy, and me do that? No, Dad.
Why?
Punch you.
Sir.
Hindi. Babalik ako kay kuya.
Halagi.
Ay, ate.
Ano ba?
How about my daddy? How about my
Larry survive, bro!
How about my daddy?
There, I killed it.
Huh?
I killed it na.
I got some wood.
Ito daming wood, oh. Kay Brighty.
Yung house niya?
Ito.
Oh, people, daddy, people.
Saan? Ito?
Yan. Saan zombie?
Here! Here, Daddy, here!
Where?
Escort
Oh no, love you. Where do you went?
It's becoming
I didn't see
1 hour,
you.
bro.
Here, look! Zombies!
Creepers.
And let's
Over 1 hour.
Yeah, I saw it.
And creepers!
Look what I did.
Creepers and zombies!
Oh, run na!
Oh,
That was a
and
jump
then this one.
scare.
9 mates. We would drown out like
Oh, yeah.
You,
What?
you find up, you open niya. Yan, here.
Dad and me, Daddy.
Wait a minute. He can still climb right there.
There you are. Hi.
Daddy?
Yes. Hi.
Mario.
Pa-pa-bam-ba-bo-boo.
I'm so rich.
Where, which?
Dad, he
I
did.
thought you were rich.
Dad, rich. Dad, rich.
Okay.
See, here,
Oh,
Dad.
yeah.
I'm dead.
Wait, what? Currently have 3.
Yay.
Oh, help me, Dad. I'm jumping.
Why?
No, not watching.
It's okay. You just move. You sa water. Tingnan natin sa water. Punta ka sa water.
Okay.
Still not good pala. Kuya, paano yung maano counter yung sa witch? Kuya, Seth.
And this one rich too.
Kuya,
Hmm?
paano ikaw counter yung sa witch?
Kaya mo.
Hindi, paano ikaw?
Eh.
Dad. Yan na. Dad?
Hmm?
Nautilus shell.
Mommy!
American.
Daddy?
Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Strike 3R190.
Daddy, punch
Tung
you.
tumo.
Huh?
Ano ba yan?
Strike 3R190.
Okay.
Wala na din pala akong shield.
Ay, you eat.
One arm na pala ka.
Dad! Look! Dad! Daddy! Punch me, Daddy! Dad!
Yes.
Mario!
Dad.
You never drink it if I just hand it to
Lagi.
you.
Yes, I gotta craft it again.
And me, Daddy! Daddy!
It's not a
Dad! Lagi. Wait. Hello!
Thank you, love. Gold.
Huh?
Gold.
And me!
Lagi.
Dad! Lagi!
Oh,
Lagi.
where's
In my-
my shield? Kuya, for us to fight.
Here.
What? Where's Daddy?
Where are you?
Daddy and G.
Here, I'm gonna give it to you.
Where are you?
What?
Here! Up here!
Up here?
Oh, go.
Eh?
Go.
Saan ka na?
Ikaw sa bataas ng...
Eto, andito na ako.
Go.
After our first
Yan.
show 4 years
Dalawa sa shield mo, pwede pala yun.
we hit around 30% of our
Meron ka ah.
Wow.
Mag-mine tayo for diamonds.
if I made a
And
mistake
me
working
too.
because
Saan ka magdadayang mamay ng diamonds?
but I felt relieved when I saw it.
Kung nasaan tayo nung last time.
SNBCRWNT.
Babalik tayo doon?
Mm.
You're hitting
Often everyone is functional.
200%.
And me down too.
Not just amazing.
Hanap tayo ng may gold daw.
And me
Magda diamonds.
Diamonds.
Yearn for the mines.
please. Please, Dad.
Hindi
Isa
ka
pa tayo, may isa pa ako nakita eh.
What's this?
Night time.
Night time.
Sleeping time.
Oh, sleeping time.
Kuya,
Where's mine?
Sleeping through the night.
Here, Daddy. Come here, kid.
Sleep ka na daw, Daddy. Immediately? Daddy.
Say.
Hindi pa ba ako doon?
Main tayo.
Done.
Saan ginawa akong daan?
No, Dad.
I know, it's not the place that I walked from.
Teleport ka na.
What's sleeping time?
Can teleport.
This night.
Sleeping time here, Dad.
Yeah.
SNEBCRW.
Wait lang.
Teleport ako sa'yo?
Yeah, wait lang. Go teleport.
Good morning, Dad. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
No, I want. No.
There.
What's the monkey?
I have ano,
Nag-teleport lang muna ako kay...
Hey. Doing me, Dad.
Hey, this is Mommy's housey.
This one sleeping one. Monkey.
Pick me.
No. Your spoon.
Lagi?
yeah.
Ah.
Bukas.
O sino yun ah? Yung China? Chinese yan?
Hindi, si Kimbo.
Ah?
Sa, head voice over flowers dati.
Yun nga. Eh, Korean ba yun?
Korean yun.
Ah, Korean ba siya?
Oh, ay, sorry na. Sit ah.
Daddy, what? Daddy, what's that? Dad, what's this one? This one.
Ah, that's, lights.
Yan na. Full ka na?
Yes,
Yes
I'm
po.
blue.
Okay.
Trying to find diamonds. Oh, the geode!
Ako sa'yo, ma'am.
Dad, yung geode nandito.
What is this? There,
Yeah.
there.
There's a small guy, oh.
Baby zombie.
Makulit yung baby zombie niya. No?
Mine? Mine, baby zombie.
Mm-mm.
There is iron. Dad, kupain ko ba tong iron?
Yeah. Every mine is ay, ano ba yan, Linos?
Water.
May water nga. Where are you?
I'm here. I'm here. Just hi.
I already have this one. So we already got this thing.
Yarn!
What's
For the
here,
man.
Daddy?
Dad, kasi yung copper. Kukain ko ba?
Siyempre, we can have all the coppers, which is, uy,
We can get lightning
sarap
rods.
naman.
What's that?
Yeah, nasaw it nga eh. Kaya
Ito.
go get that one as well.
Yay! I'm keeping. What?
SNEBCRWNT490 was slain by
At the right.
Noob!
At the right. Huh?
Diba ba
Jackpot.
mahaba na yung ano mo?
Happen.
Ano? Tapos na?
Happen.
Hindi yung ano mo?
Video?
Happen.
The video's done.